Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to merge multiple Microsoft Word document into one single document. That means if I have 3 different Word file or 4, 5, any number Word file, but I want that all of the document content appear in a single Word document. That means if I have some content here, some content another file, and also I have some other content in this file, but I want that all of the content appear here. So let's start it. For this we just need to click on insert menu, then from here object, then text from file, then I need to select all of the file whose content I want in my active document. So just select all of the document and then just click insert. Now see that this document text arrived here, and then another Word document, its content also arrived here, and the third file text content also arrived here. That is the process to convert any other Word document into single Word document. That's it. Thank you.